Trying to protect your quads by leaning back on descents actually increases impact forces on the knee joint by over 300%. When your foot lands significantly in front of your center of mass, you create a braking vector. This forces the quadriceps to absorb energy eccentrically, lengthening while under tension. This eccentric braking shreds muscle fibers faster than any uphill climb ever could. This is why your quads fail at mile 40, not because of the distance, but because of how you fought gravity. The intuition to lean back is a safety paradox. It feels safer, but by extending the lever arm from your hip to the ground, you are essentially performing thousands of plyometric jump squats down the mountain. To fix this, we need to shift the center of Massachusetts. The goal is controlled falling. You must keep your feet under your hips, which requires a drastically higher cadence than your flat ground running. However, you cannot flow blindly. Elite descenders utilize micro-braking. They scrub speed only on loose gravel or tight switchbacks, then immediately release the brakes to return to flow. Retrain your brain with this specific session. Find a gentle grass or dirt slope. Run 6 reps of 30 seconds downhill. Focus purely on quick feet and silent landings. Walk back up for full recovery to ensure quality. Watch top runners like Jim Walmsley. They often look out of control with flailing arms, but look at the hips. They remain perpendicular to the slope. They use gravity as propulsion, not punishment. Gravity is free speed. Stop fighting it.